My name is Gil Valentin with BrinkAlert. I want to talk to you about our new LED and harness connector. We've designed this new connector with a gray tip to distinguish from the old connector to the new connector. We've also went from a 1.0 millimeter to a 1.5 millimeter. The new connector is not compatible with the old connector. We've created a LED upgrade kit to assist the installer from changing the old system to the new system. The kit includes a 15-foot LED that can be cut down to size. It's a 24-volt LED with a new connector. The harness in the kit also has a new connector, and the power supply and controller are also 24-volt. If you want more information on our product, call us at 786-339-9840 or check out our website at BrinkAlert.com.